three 50-pound bags. It's basically calcium, which you need for the health of the deer. You got 50-pound bag of dried molasses, which is basically going to bring the deer to your mineral. And then you got trace mineral salt. That's it. These are the things that are in just about every deer mineral that you purchase. And I got all three of these bags for around $70. It's going to make 150 pounds of mineral, spread it out, should be cost effective. But in order for it to be successful, in my eyes, cost effective is good, but will it bring in the deer?
All right, here we go. Got the dicalcium phosphate. That's gonna be the first thing we're gonna drop in. See, I got a nice big trash can to drop all my minerals in. Makes it easier to mix up. Next thing is gonna be these trace minerals. Get them trace minerals in there. Get it all good. And then now you wanna take either a shovel or like your normal garden hoe, and then just start mixing it up. Next thing we're gonna add is that dried molasses. Now that dried molasses is what's gonna bring them to the party. But before we add the dried molasses, we're gonna mix it up again. Work that mix. Get it all in, mix it up real good, keep turning it over, and now you can add that dried molasses. That dried molasses, let me tell you, smells good. And see why it would bring them to the party. Mix it up, work it over real good. You want to just keep working it, because what you want to do is get those minerals turned over and get everything mixed really well.
All right, so now we got everything mixed up. We got it in our jug. I put some in a little red bucket. We're gonna take it out there. We're gonna put it down. We're gonna see how the deer respond to it.
Look at them. They're in by the feeder where I spread the mineral. Trying to make this a mega food destination for these deer. Go to another site, same result. Deer in there on the mineral. We'll keep this going through the summer, continue to see how they take to it.